Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to EPSEX Online Sport Program 2020 for Mathematics Class 7. I am Abdul Qayyum from Army Public School, Dera Nawab Sahib, Kent. In this video lecture, we will study chapter number 3, that is sets, and the topic is Venn diagram, universal set and complement of a set. Objective of the lesson: at the end of this lesson, students will be able to represent sets by Venn diagram, show the relationship between the sets by Venn diagram, state and use the term universal set, state and use the complement of a set, recognize a subset and a proper subset. Sets. In previous lesson we have learnt about sets. A well-defined collection of distinct objects is known as set, and there are three methods to describe a set. Number one, descriptive form or descriptive method, in which we describe a set in words. Number two, listing method or set notation, in which we list all the elements of a set in a set notation. And number third is set builder notation, in which we describe the element in a set notation. First of all, we discuss about the universal set. A set consisting of all the elements under consideration for the particular situation is known as universal set. It is represented by xi or simply u. If A set is containing element 1, 2, 3 and B is a set containing element 2, 3, 5, then universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Venn diagram. We can represent a set using a Venn diagram. It is introduced by John Venn, British mathematician. In Venn diagram, the universal set is represented by a rectangle and its subset A and B are closed figure or circle inside this rectangle. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and universal set contains element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then Venn diagram is A is represented by a circle containing element 1, 2 and 3, and a rectangle is represent the universal set that contains all the element 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These rectangles contain 4 and 5 as well, 1, 2, 3, but a circle that is A only contains the element 1, 2, 3. When drawing a Venn diagram, do not put the commas between the elements. Do not write the elements too close together. Write the elements inside the set but label the set or the set A outside the set. For example, outside the rectangle or circle respectively. Complement of a set. The set of all the elements in xi or universal set but not in A is called the complement of a set and is denoted as A prime or AC. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then A prime is equal to U minus A. U set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A set is 1, 2, 3. When we subtract A from U, we get 4, 5. We see from the diagram, Venn diagram, here we see that A 1, 2, 3 and universal set contains all the element 1, 2, 3 and also 4, 5. A complement is a set which contains the element which not in A, and we see that 4 and 5 are the elements which do not in A. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.